Best friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Cynthia, or you could call me Ayani, and I like to make and customize wigs, okay? So Mscoco, hey girl, sent me this wig so I can show you guys, and this is, I think, a 12-inch Loosewave wig. So I'm right here showing you the packaging, me unboxing it and everything like that. It comes with a lot of goodies, some eyelashes, a bonnet, yeah, just a lot of stuff, and a pamphlet that tells you how to care for your hair. So if you are new to wigs and you don't know really what to do and how to care for it, you definitely should watch this video, and you should definitely read the instructions. Okay, now this is a full frontal wig. It is not a partial. All right, you do get a whole 13x4 on this. And look at these curls. Okay, I want you guys to remember what these curls look like, because once I wash these curls are going to go away. So I always tell you guys, do not go off of what the curls look like coming out of the package. You need to wash it so you can see the real curl pattern, okay? So I'm gonna go in and I am gonna bleach this. I'm gonna use 40 volume developer and quick blue, 1 scoop of quick blue, 1 scoop of 40 volume developer. You do need something to mix it in. I particularly like to use my tinting bowl and tinting brush. All right, you want to mix this into a nice not too thick but not too loose consistency. All right, and then you want to slather that all over the lace. You want to make sure all the knots are fully immersed in this bleach, and you want to take your what is that, aluminum foil, and cover the underside of the wig, and you want to let it process for about, let's say, 15 minutes, because you want that aluminum foil to help heat up those knots and help lift them, because sometimes knots, especially knots that are double tied, are very stubborn to lift. So if you do it this way and you do this method, you will definitely have lifted knots. Okay, so the wig has been marinating in that bleach, and it's time to wash it off. I'm gonna go ahead and place it under some warm water, and I'm gonna rinse off my aluminum foil strip, because I've been using that thing. As you can see, she's crumbled and she's still good. So until I can't use her no more, then I'll switch her out. But I'm gonna rinse off all the bleach off the entire wig. Make sure there's no bleach residue left. Okay, make sure that it is looking good. You can tell that the knots are bleached. All right, so what I am going to grab, I'm going to grab some purple shampoo, because we want to tone those brassy knots. We do not want brass, okay? So this is the easiest and cheapest way to tone your knots. After a couple of washes, you're going to have to tone again, but still easier and cheaper way to do this method, all right? I like to use Vanilla No Yellow. This is a very opaque shampoo. It's very violet, and it will turn your knots super fast. So you want to watch this, okay? Because you can end up turning your knots gray, and that's not what you want. All right, so I'm gonna lather that up, let it marinate. While it's marinating, I'm gonna take some shampoo from African Pride. I love this shampoo, and I also use it on my natural hair. I need to go buy some more, and I am just gonna lather the entire wig up and comb everything through, just to make sure everything is not tangled and knotted and everything like that, making sure that that shampoo is going through the entire wig. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna rinse her off, and then I'm gonna use silicone mix, which I do not show in these clips, but I did use that. And silicone mix just help you. It's a deep conditioning treatment. Use it like conditioner. You can leave it on as long as you want, or as short as you want. Okay, that is up to you. That is your preference. And just use it like conditioner, and it's gonna make your wig last longer, I swear to you. Okay, so I let the wig air dry, and then I decided that since they sent me a curly wig, that I should go ahead and put the waves or some curls back into it. So I was gonna do messy waves. So this is basically a tutorial for messy waves. Okay, so basically I guess like spiral the curls different direction, and it's just going to give me the length that I want to. This is very like grown mom-esque to me, like soccer mom, like, oh, I'm just gonna go to my kids, you know, little soccer practice, and I'm gonna look cute while I'm doing it. Yeah, like some effortless hair. And I like this type of hair because once the waves or curls drop, it still looks kind of loose wave. And I wanted to keep it in the loose wave family because that's the texture that they sent me. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna put some loose waves back into this. So I'm gonna do this for the entire wig, and then we'll go ahead and proceed to do the install.
On the beat.
After everything is curled, I'm gonna take my spritz. I like to use spritz instead of actual like hair spray, like got to be, because it'll make your hair hard and stiff. Spritz is a lightweight hairspray, and it does not leave your hair sticky. So I'll do a couple of spritz mist on the wig, and then I'll like finger comb it out, and this is what she came out looking like after I did all of that goodness. Okay, so let's do this glueless install. You guys see me do a glueless install so many times on this channel, and we're not gonna stop, okay? Until I find me a better product, we're gonna keep using my Red by Kiss, all right? So first, I'm gonna go ahead and put my Ruby Kisses makeup in the shade 16 all over my stocking cap. This is the shade that's closest to my skin tone. That's gonna give me the skin-like effect underneath my wig. And so yes, all right, if you are a person that just despises glue and like glueless product, that prefers glue but wants something a little bit more secure, then I would definitely say try Red by Kiss over Ebin. Prolonged use of Ebin, because the alcohol ratio is so high, will definitely break off your edges, and it has happened. All right, I don't think a lot of people talk about that, but yeah, like if you use Ebin, you gotta make sure that you rinse off your hair and let it air dry, and then reuse that product, because if you let that product build up on your edges, you will have breakage. Okay, and it smells so strong. I at one point I loved that product, but then it was just like, girl, that product is too strong for your hair. Some people hair could take that, some people hair can't. My hair is just cannot take that. One of my friends, I was using it on her hair just could not take that. So yeah, we're gonna leave the Ebin back there because we're not gonna use that, and we're gonna go ahead and switch to the Red by Kiss because we like that product and the ingredients is a little bit better. Okay, I need a hair diagram to go ahead and make an aerosol can spray. So I lay my wig down with the Red by Kiss, and I use the blow dryer to blow dry it down, and then I'm just go ahead and do my baby hairs, and that's basically it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section, and as always, I will leave everything that I use in this video down in the description box for you guys so you can find, as well as this wig. And until next time, bye besties.